welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new, I'm Erica Lachey. So guys, I'm about to share some products, some beauty store products, okay, that I use to achieve this look right here. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So you know what guys, I was like, you know what, I need some more makeup. Let me go to the beauty supply store. Like if you're on a budget, you know what I'm saying, I hopped my butt right to the beauty supply store and got me these products, and I'm about to share these products with you right now. So let's get started. So I came across the NYX foundation, and this color is in Mahogany, and I really didn't know what color, you know, they didn't have no type of swatches or anything like that for me to see if this is going to be my right color or anything, but they do have it labeled right here. So what I did was just, you know, put it up to my skin tone to see if it was close to it. So I was like, okay, this color is close to my skin complexion. I was just praying and hoping that it was, because I opened up the top and it had the top sealed, so I wasn't able to test it that way either. So I just took my chances, and y'all, as you can see, it turned out to be pretty much my skin color. So yeah, I like this foundation. I said, you know what, let me try out this tester. They have bigger size, so I said if it work out, I'm gonna go back and get the bigger size one, y'all. So yeah, this is a good foundation from the beauty supply store, y'all, and it was $9.99. Okay, I have another NYX product. It's a brow product, guys. This is the eyebrow gel, and the color's in espresso, and it's really, really good. I like it. As you can see, I have it on right now, and this the color payoff that it gave me, guys, and I like this. I really do. I'm gonna be reaching for this one for my eyebrows, and yeah, because I like to use a pencil too as well. I like to put this on and the pencil afterwards, you know, just to sharpen up my brows a little bit more if needed. So yeah, so y'all try out this product right here, the NYX eyebrow product, and espresso. This is the color right there. All right, guys. This is the next product, guys, the NYX Butter Gloss. And this color is in Maple Blondie. So yeah, I like this right here. As you can see, I have it on, and it feels so good on my lips, guys. So I reached for this one. I was looking for another color, but I came across this one, but the other color was out. So I said, you know what, let me just try this one and see how this one is. So as you can see, it's cute. I like it, guys. So yeah, go try this one out right here, guys. I do hear a lot about this product, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try for myself, and I'm glad I did, guys. This is a great lip product. Okay, next up I have the Magic Glowy highlighter. It looks like this. This product is okay. I'm gonna say it's okay because it's real glittery. It's like if you use a brush, because one time I had used this brush trying to apply this on my cheeks. As you can see, I have it on now, but I tried to use this to apply it on my cheeks, and y'all, the glitter went everywhere. It just went all over my face. It just like splashed everywhere. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. So what I do, I use my finger. I feel like my finger works better. I apply it right here on my nose just to show you guys. Yeah, it works better if you use your finger. So I advise you to use your finger instead of a brush, y'all, because y'all, if you don't, that glitter's gonna get everywhere. But yeah, I also applied this highlighter using my finger too as well. So yeah, so this is really good. This one was $2.99 from the beauty supply store. Okay guys, I have a mineral powder right here I love to use. I've been using this mineral powder for years and years, guys, in different colors. This one right here is in honey brown, and it's $5.99 from the beauty supply store. And I use another one in chestnut, and I like to use the other one because it's darker. I like to use that one like if I want to like get that contour effect or whatever, so that's why I use the other one for. But this one here, I set my face with this one all over. So yeah, and I did use it, and this is what it looks like, guys. So if you want a full coverage powder, reach for this one. So I came across this hydration spray from the beauty supply store, guys, And I was like, this look interesting, you know. They had like 3 different kinds, but I reached for this one, the Aloe Vera, because it was only 3 left, and I seen that everybody was reaching for this product right here. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try this. So I'm glad I did, guys. It's really, really lightweight on your skin, and it smells so good. It smells just like Aloe Vera. It smells really, really good, guys. I'm gonna spray this and show you guys. It's actually for your face, your body, and your hair. So, and it's also served as a setting spray. So I like to put this on before I put my makeup on and after. So I'm gonna show you. It's just this little, you know, it just a mist come out, and it feels so good on your face. And yeah, guys, it's very lightweight, and I like this product right here. And this one was $5.99. So yeah, I'm in love with the LA Girl Pro Concealers, okay? These are so bomb. It gives you great coverage and everything, guys. It's affordable, and I just love them to death, okay? This one is in Honey Brown, and this one is in Fun. So I use this one to highlight, and I use this one to like outline my brows. And guys, I just love these, okay? So if you're looking for a great coverage, affordable, go for LA Girl Pro Concealer, and you will love it too. I also use this concealer as well, guys, the Neutrogena concealer. I got it from Target. It's a great concealer. It's great coverage. I love it so much. It's kind of like heavyweight a little bit, so that's why I like it, because it gives you great coverage, you know, so you don't have to worry about it like melting off or anything like that. So yeah, this color is in Pecan. So yeah, guys, it's a good one. So I didn't purchase this from the beauty supply store, but I'm share it with you anyway because it was used in the tutorial. It's the LA Color X mascara. I love this mascara, guys. It's between like from $5 to $7, something like that. And I purchased this from Target too as well. And I love it to death, guys. It gives you great volume, and the color is in black. It's just a great mascara, guys. And I'm gonna show you the one what it looks like. So that's what the one look like, and it's just great, guys. Yeah, purchase this one too if you're on a budget, guys. The next product I have is the 40/40 palette. It looks like this. And guys, I love these eyeshadows in here. We have shimmer eyeshadows and a few mattes in here as well. It looks like this. And guys, yes, all those pretty colors in here. Yes, guys. So this palette was like, I think it was like, I can't remember, y'all. I'm so sorry. I want to say it was like $14.99. I know the other palette I'm about to share with you guys right now, which is this one. This one right here. I'm gonna put this down. This palette right here, it was $14.99. Y'all look at this one. Oh my goodness, y'all. All these pretty colors in here, matte colors. Y'all, exactly what I have on my eyes right now. Yes, so pretty. But the color that's on my lid right now, guys, came from the 40/40 palette. This one right here, this one right here. So I actually use this color, that color right there. Yeah, so that's what's on my lid. Guys, good eyeshadows, okay? Good eyeshadows. So yeah, I really do love both of these palettes from the beauty supply store, y'all. So if you're on a budget, can't afford, you know, all the high-end products, go to the beauty supply store. They have some good products there, guys. They do. So yes. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. All the products are affordable, and I'm gonna have the prices on the screen. If I forgot to like shout out the prices, it will be on the screen for you guys. And yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.